Hey, Austin, you want to walk us through the process that we went through to get to the solution that we have?
Yeah, absolutely. So our team worked to identify a common pain point that many people see day to day. And the one we settled on was users not being able to reach high up areas without some sort of device. And we weren't satisfied with the devices that were out there. So we came up with the problem statement, which was to design a height adjustable system that's integrated into the existing home and utilizes space that is not already utilized by something else, and which allows the user to reach up to these high areas. The desired benefits that we wanted out of this was to make it easily storable, convenient for the user to use, and portable, as well as it'll help for scenarios where maybe you just need to get up a few inches or you need to get up 2 or 3 feet.
So Austin took us through the problem statement and the desired outcome. So I'll talk about the primary needs. So after conducting interviews with our potential customers, we identified 6 primary needs, one being durable, nearly daily use, as well as functional, multi-use, the ability to use it multiple times. There was a safety factor. We wanted to make sure that it's stable, is that we heard our customers, potential customers mention that quite a few times. And then single person use, meaning that you don't need any help to use the solution. And then there was convenience. Where is it needed? Can you easily get to it? And then appealing. You don't want it to be an eyesore. You want it to look or be aesthetically pleasing.
When benchmarking for our concept, some issues that we found with the current solutions is that some of the built-in solutions were stationary and only able to be used in one location. Convenient solutions took up usable space and were an eyesore. And then portable solutions tended to not be tall enough when in use. And based on that, we created some target specifications where we wanted our solution to have a smaller footprint when not in use, a similar cost to traditional solutions, very visually appealing, and it blends in with the home. And lastly, that it can be used by a single person without any assistance from others.
When it came to generating concepts for our problem statement, we utilized a variety of different methods. First, we started with benchmarking existing products to see what's out there, what's successful, what isn't quite so successful, and what are users saying about them. And then we also did research on various patents that apply to this problem statement to gain some inspiration, maybe generate some concept ideas off of that. We also utilized biassociation, biomimicry, design heuristics, just to name a few. And then the method that we got this concept from is called trees, which identified both the nesting down method and adding another dimension. And we applied that to our concept by having it nest into the existing home molding, and then also it folds in an additional dimension than a typical ladder would in 2 dimensions, which accomplishes our goal of minimizing the volume that it takes up while stored.
Okay, so for concept selection, we each of us had 10 votes, and we had a different tab on the Excel spreadsheet that allowed us to go in to do our voting. We had 10 votes, and to not see what the other person voted for. So with that, we came up with about 15 different concepts, and of course we had to consider manufacturing feasibility. But moving from multi-voting to our screening, we evaluated the performance of our concepts to a standard, compared to a standard step stool. Then we, from there, combined different solutions that we had out of the 15, which improved previous concepts like mobility, as well as the power source. And moving from screening to scoring, we use AHP to weigh importance of our needs, as well as the cost was the most important factor that we had to consider.
Not only can our concept be used as a step ladder in an open area, but we can also use it as a straight ladder against a wall. Other things that we're thinking about improving with our concept is using different materials that will improve weight and also visual appeal. Also, we would like to have the rungs of the ladder nest into the vertical portions, and then this will make our concepts thinner. And in doing so, we will consider different pivoting solutions rather than the hinges that we have in our concept to make it even more compact. Our current solution is able to be stored in doors, but we would like to create a casing that goes around it that'll incorporate it more into the doors trim.